Taking the leap, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very popular English phrase, take the leap. Whether you've heard it in a conversation or come across it in a book, understanding this phrase can really enrich your English comprehension. Let's jump right in. Take the leap is an idiomatic expression that means to make a bold or risky decision. It's usually used when someone decides to do something that involves some level of risk or stepping out of their comfort zone. Imagine standing on the edge of a high rock, ready to jump into the water below. It's scary, but you decide to jump. That's taking the leap. The phrase, take the leap, is thought to originate from physical situations where a person might actually have to jump or leap from a height. Over time, it has evolved to mean taking a chance in any area of life, not just the physical act of leaping. Let's look at some examples. After years of hesitation, she finally took the leap and started her own business. Deciding to move to a new country is a huge decision, but sometimes you just have to take the leap. There are several other expressions that convey a similar meaning. For instance, take a chance, take a risk, go for it, jump in at the deep end. I hope this video helps you understand what it means to take the leap. It's all about making big decisions and embracing the risks that come with them. Remember, sometimes the biggest risks lead to the greatest rewards. Happy learning, and don't be afraid to take your own leaps in life.